Who are you? This dog just showed up. What's up, buddy? Who are you? What's up, guys, and welcome to this video. This video is going to be a little bit different than what I've been uploading over the past few days. This is not a one-hit wonder thrift series video. This is in fact a sourcing video for normal stuff. A few days ago, I went to a particular thrift store where there were a lot of really good shoes for good prices, and a bunch of people reached out in the comments and through my DMs. Some of them were asking if I was buying the shoes off camera. Others were asking if I was going to buy the shoes, and I just kept saying no, like, no, I'm not going to. This is not part of the plan. However, I am going to jump in the Thrift-mobile today, and I'm going to head back out to that thrift store. It is about 25 minutes away, but it's Wednesday today, and so today is their 20% off sale day for military veterans, which I am, and so I'm going to go take advantage of that and get some decent shoes for a good price. So with that being said, let's head out. All right, guys, we are on the move. We are in the van, and we are headed out to the thrift. Before we go to the thrift, we've got a couple stops to make. That is the post office to drop off a few packages. I sold 3 pairs of shoes last night. Not great, but it's something. So got to keep the momentum up. I have a lot of listing to do today. Hopefully that will spur more sales. And then we've got to go to Lowe's. I've got some building supplies that I need to pick up because we're doing some work on the new shed, the new workspace, the new inventory warehouse / YouTube studio. I have been pretty tight-lipped about that, and so I'm going to share some of that with you today. So here at Lowe's, we had to pick up some conduit as well as some electrical cable, as well as some conduit boxes, I think, because we're trying to hook the shed, the new workspace, the new warehouse / YouTube studio up to my house, and I needed these things. Let's get to the post office and then let's get to thrifting. All right, that's it. Let's roll. Let's get to thrifting. We need this. Let's get there. Let's get everything that we possibly can get. All right, guys, here we are at the thrift store. This is one of my #1 spots for thrifting shoes. They're a little bit on the pricey side, but today we get a discount. I'm looking forward to seeing if those shoes that were in here a few days ago are still here. It was actually, I think, about a week ago that I was here. So let's jump in there and see what we've got, and I will share with you the process as we go.
There's something in the air.
Am I gonna be a while? Yeah, probably.
Is there a certain thing you're looking for?
Athletic shoes. Yep. Thank you.
supervisor, she said if you would like to leave her your name and phone number,
Okay.
she can call you if she gets like an inordinate amount.
Huge amount. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. I will definitely do that.
I wanted to cart them out if you're still here.
Yes, I will still be here. Thank you. Yeah, I can. Sure. Cool. All right, here we go. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, guys, so we just finished up in the thrift store. I got this whole shopping cart of good stuff. Got this vintage Coleman Outdoors shirt for $7, and they're selling for $35 to $40 plus shipping. It's lined with this nylon liner. I spent $188. It was normally $211, but because of the discount, I got all the stuff for 188 bucks. I did buy 3 golf clubs for my kids because they want to play golf, and they were a couple bucks a piece. I bought a bag of tees and a bag of golf balls just so they can hit them around the property, whatever. I'm going to count up the shoes. I don't know how many pairs I bought, but I'm going to average the cost between the shoes and the shirt, and then I will let you know that cost. All right, so after counting up all the shoes, we bought 23 pairs of shoes and we bought 1 shirt. The $188 divided by the 24 individual items comes out to $7.83 per item. And that's including the cost of the golf clubs and the tees and the balls. Like, that's another $13 or $14 right there that we just rolled into this cost. So the average buy cost would be closer to probably $7.25, which is more than I normally pay for shoes. However, with this lot of shoes, I'm really looking for shoes that need minimal cleaning, that are in excellent condition. I need a quick wipe down and be done with it. I do not have time for in-depth cleaning, so a lot of these shoes are immaculate already, and so I paid up for that because I just need to be able to process these shoes quickly. Next thing is we're gonna go jump over and get some food. I have been at it all morning and I am famished. After that, I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna share with you all of the items that I got, and I'll break it down. I'll show you each individual item so that you can kind of get a grasp for what I am looking for and what I'm buying. All right, so this is the new shed. Right now, it's just a little bit of storage for boxes, some inventory, and so on. Up until now, I've just been working on getting all of the outlet receptacles wired together. They're all pigtail wired, and basically it's gonna run on 2 circuits. So this circuit breaker panel box will mount here. These will go into it. This is one circuit on this side, and then the other one is a circuit that goes up, over, down, and then around. So we'll have 2 circuits in here. Everything's done on the inside except for the panel box. And then I have to run this wire that we just bought today. I'm hoping 100 feet is enough, plus a couple conduit boxes to run outside into the ground. And that's going to run over to my home there. And I don't think I bought enough of these guys. I need more of these. These are 10-foot long conduit. I bought 4 of those, and I'm pretty sure that's the wrong amount, because it's definitely more than 40 feet over to the house. Not sure what I was measuring. However, I'm going to, I guess, pick up some more. Measure twice, cut once, as they say. So that is basically what's going on with this. There will be a full-length video once this place is completely done and outfitted. However, for now, this is what we've got. All right, we are home. My neighbor is working on his tractor next door, so that's loud. And then my kids have their friends over today, so that's loud. You're going to hear them for sure. But I want to go over the things that I got today and share with you what we locked in. So first off, we've got this Coleman Outdoors, a vintage piece lined with nylon. It's flannel lined with nylon. Okay, got this pair of Vans. The midsole needs to be cleaned, but the outer seems pretty decent. Got this pair of Vans Old Schools. Got this pair of Nike running shoes. This pair I'm really excited about. This pair of Air Max 90s. This pair of Air Force Ones, navy blue and white. Got this pair of Vans. I don't think they're Old Schools, but really good condition. Got this pair of Nikes. I forget what these are called. Are these Reacts with the sole like that? I think they're Reacts. Got this pair of New Balance 608 walking shoes. This pair of Asics. Got this pair of Nike running shoes. This pair of Asics Gel Dedicate. Another pair of New Balance walking shoes. Maybe these are running shoes. I think they're walking shoes. This pair of Jordans needs definitely a wipe down for sure. Maybe clean the laces. Pretty clean overall. Other than that, this pair of Skechers memory foam relaxed fit loafers or flats. Who are you? This dog just showed up. What's up, buddy? Who are you? Anyways, so Skechers relaxed fit memory foam. Got another pair of Skechers Go Run 400s. I've never sold the Go Run line. However, looking forward to that. I don't know where the other shoe is. Got this pair of Nike running shoes. Needs a quick wipe down. This is a pair of Asics Gel Fuji Trebo 6s. Got this pair of pretty dirty Nikes. These will probably need to get pressure washed and wiped down, but overall, really good. This pair I'm keeping for myself. I was thinking about it for a little while and I decided these are mine. Nike Air Max 90s, $15, men's size 11. All right, guys, unfortunately, those Nike Air Max 90s did not fit me. Size 11 is the size that I wear. These are men's 11. However, they're just too small. So I'm going to flip them and sell them. Maybe I'll take the proceeds from these and actually go buy a size 12 for myself in the same shoe. I don't know. But super disappointing that they did not work out for me. However, that's the way it works sometimes. Now back to the show. This pair of Adidas SL Loop. We got another pair of New Balance white walking shoes. Another pair of Nikes. These are a youth size. And then finally, this pair of Pumas. I don't know about these. Really good, clean condition. So that is what we picked up from the thrift today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got value from it. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're interested in this kind of content. And I will see you on the next video.